Welcome back to day 4, Healthy Snacks and Treats. Today we are making a healthy vegetable dip. We're using Greek yogurt, so it's high in protein. We're mixing in some fresh herbs and dried herbs and a few secret ingredients. So let's get started. Today we're making a veggie dip. Very simple, very healthy. You're going to start with 1 cup of Greek yogurt. I am just putting it right into a glass bowl with a lid because I will snack on this probably for the next couple days. Just want to make sure you got about a cup. And then you're going to get the juice of 1 lemon. This just adds a really nice zing, freshness. Then you're going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, dill seed. I do dry, and I also do fresh. And here is a secret ingredient. I add just a little bit of celery seed. And I have another secret ingredient. I add about 1 teaspoon of pickle juice. I'm adding the juice from these gherkins. I had this left over from our pork last week. And then here's another secret ingredient, just a splash of Worcestershire. And then I'm just gonna dice up these fresh herbs. Today I have parsley and fresh dill. Just put them right into your bowl. Smells so fresh. Smells like springtime. Bring this closer to me. Then you're just gonna work it in. I do like to add a little bit of olive oil. It's our healthy fat. And then I'm going to add salt, about 1/2 teaspoon or so. You can certainly just add the herbs with the lemon juice and the yogurt, but I feel like these other additions really add a level of flavor and complexity. So many people will stop and say, "What is that?" So you can see how lovely this looks. I'm going to chill this for about 30 minutes and then I'll give it a try. I am back and our vegetable dip has chilled, and I've cut up some beautiful peppers, all different colors, to test the dip out. Really, really good. The flavors are just so fresh and flavorful. Perfect accompaniment to fresh vegetables. It's pretty thick, you can see. I don't add any water, just the lemon juice. So it's full of flavor, very healthy, great nutrients, great stats. I hope you'll give this one a try.